What if I told you that you could retire by 40 without winning the lottery, owning a business, or even making six figures? Sounds wild, right? But it's not a fantasy. It's a strategy called FIRE, financial independence, retire early. And it's completely possible in 2025. In fact, more people than ever are on this path. Let me be clear. FIRE isn't about never working again, unless you want to. It's about building enough wealth so you don't need to work. It's freedom to spend time with family, travel, start a passion project, or simply breathe without financial stress. Some people retire in the traditional sense. Others just ditch the 9-to-5 and live life on their terms. And the best part? You don't need to be born rich, own real estate, or hit a jackpot. You just need a plan, and that starts right here. Let's talk money. The first question everyone asks is, how much do I actually need to retire early? The answer? Your FIRE number, which is 25 times your annual expenses. So if you spend $40,000 a year, your FIRE number is $1 million. If you spend $60,000, it's $1.5 million. This comes from the 4% rule, a proven guideline in retirement planning. It says you can safely withdraw 4% of your investments per year without running out of money. That means your portfolio works like an income machine, generating what you need without eating the principal. Stick around. I'll soon show you exactly how to calculate your FIRE number and timeline. But for now, remember this. FIRE isn't based on what you earn. It's based on what you spend. That's the game changer. There are 3 levers that drive the FIRE strategy. 1. Save more. You need a high savings rate, ideally 50% or more. That doesn't mean living in misery. It means cutting the fluff, living intentionally, and aligning spending with values. 2. Earn more promotions, job hopping, upskilling, freelancing, or side hustles. Every extra dollar you don't spend is fuel for your FIRE engine. 3. Invest smarter. This is the secret weapon. Index funds, ETFs, Roth IRAs, and 401ks can turn your savings into a snowball. At an average 7% annual return, your money can double roughly every 10 years. Example, let's say you earn $70,000 a year. You save 50%, that's $35,000 per year. You invest it in index funds. In about 16 years, you could reach $1 million. Start at 25, retire by 41. Start at 30, retire by 46. But here's the part most people get wrong. The biggest myth about FIRE? That it's only for people making $150K plus or living like hermits. Not true. It's about intentionality. A nurse making $55K who saves and invests wisely can hit FIRE. Meanwhile, someone making $150K but spending it all? They'll be working forever. It's also not about giving up fun. FIRE folks often travel, eat out, enjoy life. They just choose how and when. Another mental shift? Stop trying to look rich. Start building wealth. FIRE means investing first, spending second. And yes, there are risks, stock market crashes, healthcare costs, lifestyle boredom. But FIRE gives you the flexibility to adapt. It's about designing a life you love, not escaping one you hate. Let's now walk through exactly how to calculate your FIRE number. Time to build your custom FIRE roadmap. Step 1. Track your monthly expenses. Let's say it's $3,500. Multiply that by 12, $42,000 a year, multiply that by 25, $150,000. That's your FIRE number. Step 2. Figure out your savings rate. If you earn $70K and save $28K, your savings rate is 40%. Step 3. Estimate your timeline. Use a FIRE calculator or compound interest chart. At 40% savings with 7% annual return, you can retire in around 20 years. Want to go faster? Boost income or cut expenses? Want to enjoy more now? Go coast FIRE. Save heavily early, then slow down. There's no one-size-fits-all FIRE journey. The power is that you're in control. Here's the truth. You don't need luck. You don't need to be rich. You just need a plan and the will to stick with it. FIRE is not a fantasy. It's a formula. Save more. Earn more. Invest smarter. And soon, work becomes a choice, not a necessity. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe. Let's build freedom together.